Julian from Sugarland has a question about pest control.
He's looking for a pest control alternative, Tom. Julian writes, we have silverfish and spiders that don't bother much and an occasional roach in the kitchen that the family won't kill. Also,
they have pets?
They're
Okay.
just like, I don't want to kill it.
Okay,
whatever. Also, I mean, seriously, when a roach comes into the living room, does Sandra go charging it and to kill it?
My house?
Yeah.
She has fly swatters in every room.
Oh, my
She'll
God.
go after that thing and hunt it down until it's gone.
It's the only thing my tough Texan won't go
I
near.
have to clean it up.
Oh, yeah.
So
right.
she'll kill it.
All right. Well, in our house, the chain of command goes the other way.
Okay.
I kill, she cleans. Anyway, in this house, though, they don't want to do that. Also, in the wintertime, he says, it sounds like field mice trying to get into the attic. Now, he says ultrasonics sound like a safe alternative. Then that's a machine, I guess, it puts out a tone that scares bugs and things away. And I like how it would continuously work, he says. So, Tom, what's your advice for Julian on this?
They don't work.
Are you sure?
I can say.
How can they sell so many if it doesn't work, Tom?
How many things do they sell out there that really don't do what they say they're going to do?
Yeah, file that under rhetorical questions.
Yes, okay. They really don't. I put them in my basement in Lake Placid to keep the mice out, and they were partying around it. They were dancing with hats and Hershey bars. We tried it in Florida. My mother had them all over the house. Man, those bugs, you could hear them crawling around. You had to kill them. You have to have a pest control problem. If you have a pest control problem, which it doesn't sound like he has,
it sounds
if you got a roach once in a while, a little can of Bengal roach spray, you spray it around, or you just kill the thing, get rid of it. Spiders, they're hard to control, and those things will not work on spiders. Spiders are not insects.
What you ought to do is with those roaches, you ought to just crush it lightly and then string it up and hang it at the edge of the property and let the other roaches know this is what.
This is why I answer the questions.
Okay.
Okay. And as far as silverfish and stuff, you got a problem there where a little bit of pest control will work, but don't overdo it. Use it very responsibly, and that's what people have. They're spraying it every 2 weeks everywhere, and it's killing the people in the house and not just the few bugs. So use it responsibly, and it'll be fine.
I've seen like the Planet of the Apes, where they had the people strung up on the edge of the, put the bugs and stuff there. You don't think that'll work?
This is why I answer the questions.
Okay.
I know what you're talking about, the scene, though.
This is why I write the copy.
Yes.
Right. You got a question, send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Com form, send it. We'll answer it like this video and these videos over here. And subscribe to our channel.